This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. This wonderful 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a den home is located in the desirable maintenance-free gated community of Traditions at Lake Ruby. Upon entering the home, you will be greeted with a charming front porch. The open concept floor plan features a spacious living room with oversized glass sliding doors allowing access to the Florida room. The eat-in kitchen offers maplewood cabinetry, a breakfast bar, tile flooring, closet pantry, recessed lighting, and delightful breakfast nook. The generously sized master bedroom suite features wall-to-wall carpeting and a walk-in closet with an overhead luggage storage shelf. The master bathroom is equipped with a comfort height vanity with dual sinks, linen closet and a seated tiled shower. Other amenities include an indoor laundry room with washer and dryer, formal dining area, architectural shingles installed 2019, gutters, updated HVAC system, screened-in entrance, 10 by 22 Florida room, irrigation system, water heater 2 year of age, alarm system, paved driveway and walkways in a 2-car garage with door opener. The picturesque community of Traditions offers amenities such as a lakefront clubhouse, dock, and boat ramp, heated swimming pool, and spa, ballroom, billiards, meeting room, library, computer room, craft room, tennis courts, basketball, bocce, shuffleboard, fitness center, aerobics studio, dog park, and much more. Great convenient location close to shopping, medical facilities, and major routes. Community monthly fees include cable, internet, lawn service, exterior painting every 5 years and clubhouse amenities. For more information, review the